Algebra 2 Worksheet 31.1, I'm going to look at numbers 17 and 18 on the back. These are both fundamental counting principle. On number 17, there are 9 candidates in the city election. The winner will be the mayor and the runner will be the vice mayor. How many different ways can the winning mayor and vice mayor be selected? Here we have 2 decisions to make. The first one is how many we can choose from for the mayor. There are 9 people in the election, 9 candidates. So we have 9 to choose from for mayor. And remember, once that mayor is chosen, then we don't have that person left for the vice mayor. So after they're chosen, there's 8 left over for vice mayor. And remember, we're just multiplying those 2 to get our total possible, which is 72. Now for 18, Linda is trying to remember her email password. She remembers that it has 7 characters. The first 3 characters are letters from her name, and the remaining characters are numbers from her address, 15301. However, she does not remember the exact order of the letters or the numbers. What is the probability that Linda correctly guesses her password on the first try? So we look at just the first 3. Now it says again, the first 3 characters are letters from her name. So we look at her name, Linda. There's 5 different letters in that name. And it doesn't say anything about not being able to repeat letters and numbers. So we're going to go ahead and assume that we can repeat. So there are 5 letters in the name Linda, which means the first 3 choices would be 5 times 5 times 5. Now the next 3, this is where it gets confusing. It says the next 4 will be from this number 15301. And we would think there are 5 numbers in there. Oh, I'm just going to have 5 to choose from. Well, we don't. The 1 repeats, so we really only have 4 numbers to choose from. 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. So it's a matter of taking the 5s and the 4s and multiplying them all out, which I'm doing on my trusty calculator right now. 5 times 5 times 5 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, and you should get 32,000 ways to do that. Now again, it's asking what is the probability that she correctly guesses her password on the first try. Only 1 out of those 32,000 will work, so her probability is 1 over 32,000.